Hey everyone, this is a demonstration of your free fall lab. So here I've dropped the picket fence and I've collected data for the distance and the velocity. What you want to do here is you want to select your velocity graph and you're going to want to do a linear fit to this. So come over here to your data analysis tools and you're going to apply a curve fit. You want this to be linear. We're going to hit apply. I'm going to drag this little box up here, and you can see from our curve fit, since we have velocity along the y-axis and time along the x, then our slope of our line is going to be our acceleration due to gravity. In this case, it's 9.822. So that is for run 1. Now I'm going to switch over to run 2. And as you can see with run 2, we have a slightly different slope for that. It's still finding this interval of our of where we analyze this data. So that is your slope and value for G for run 2. I'm going to switch over to run 3. Run 3, again, we're taking a look at that slope of your velocity versus time graph. Find the slope from the results. We've got run 4, again, a slightly different slope. Run 5, this one a little bit different. And then lastly, run 6. So just so we can see all of these runs on one graph, and this, I don't think this actually has all of the slopes there for all of the runs, different codes, different colors for each one. It's kind of hard to see on the graph, but so that is one way of determining G using a picket fence and free fall data. Have a great day. Bye.